Welcome to all. We are the Sirians. We have traveled through the great barrier of time from our home world in your constellation of Canis Major to address you this day. We are, in your Earth terms, extraterrestrial. Our DNA structure and physical characteristics are a unique blend of human, feline, and canine genetics and energy. Our focus at this time is to help prepare your planet for a dimensional jump into a higher frequency with our collective knowledge and Genesis technologies. We are biosphere technicians who have returned to Earth at this time to help regenerate and restructure the planet's natural systems, including the grid structures and atmospheric firmament. Many millennia ago, when your planet was in its early stages of growth, we came, observed, and guided its evolution, along with many other races. We have evolved in our knowledge, planetary assistance programs, and communication with a great number of your unique Earth cultures over many thousands of years. We are specialists in terraforming and in regenerating natural resources through light technology and consciousness infusions. We also work with and through many of you in your earth healing processes, as well as assist various environmental and natural conservation groups, national park and wildlife foundations, and humanitarian organizations around your planet. It is our current task to protect and upgrade the ecosystem of Earth, and we are offering guidance and options so that you can assist us in this project. We would also like to congratulate and thank all of the individuals who are consciously assisting in the planetary healing and evolution process at this time. This is a necessary and very important component of moving your world into a new and more expanded format. In addition, we are focusing our energy and consciousness with those of you who are interested and engaged in this global effort. We urge all of you to connect with your higher guidance and make a strong heart connection to us so that you can receive clear instructions and know what areas need the most assistance on a daily and weekly basis. For those of you who are not able to do physical grid work or travel to sacred sites and distant locations, we offer you the option of joining us in the conscious light infusion process each day. This can be done simply by connecting with our ships at home during your leisure time, out taking your morning walk, driving to work, or doing your daily errands. Your light and energy will be greatly appreciated and utilized to help in the global healing process. Our work is also focused on assisting in the building and manifestation of the new galactic cities. And your Earth is just now preparing for many amazing structures and cityscapes to be anchored and manifest. Beautiful architecture, expansive gardens, spiritual centers, magnificent temples, and pyramids larger and on a more grander scale than any human has ever seen are currently in the etheric stages of blueprinting, soon to be realized on the physical level. These structures will amaze and delight all who view them. Prepare yourselves for the manifestation of the new wonders of the world. Through this dialogue, we would also like to explore the ideas of advanced mythology and the reawakening and movement of your Earth societies into a united, global, and very magical cosmic culture. As we look back in time, your ancient civilizations were based in spirit, and the mythology of magic and the mysteries of creation. However, through the advent of new technology, most of your modern cultures have lost the link and spark that closely connects you with the Earth and the star races. We are helping to reinstate this connection by infusing ancient rays of knowledge and energy into the collective Earth mind from many advanced cultures, including the Incas, Mayans, Egyptians, Olmecs, and many other races. Understand that when a culture is focused on spirit, all manifestations within that civilization take on a whole new presence and vibrancy. The art and the architecture appear more magical and mysterious, like the pyramids of Egypt and the ancient temples of China and Persia. In these cultures, people believed in myths, legends, and in other worlds beyond your own. They believed in and had contact with many star races for thousands of years. With the rising of each moon, and during many sun cycles, people would gather in large open celebration spaces, and in the temples for solstice and astrological ceremonies. Each and every individual attended, participated, and were inspired by the events, and subsequently, all of their daily activities and creations would mirror this higher connection. A collective consciousness of magic and advanced mythology will be able to anchor, hold, and manifest the higher frequencies of light much easier than a society that is focused on secular comfort, the pursuit of wealth and power, and the advancement of non-resonant addictive technologies. If a collective is focused on magic and mythology, the arts and sciences will begin to mirror that as well. This is the reason ancient astrologers and astronomers were able to develop advanced systems of star mapping that continue to mystify and confound your current researchers and scientists. The more connected and mythological a culture is, the more easily we, along with your assistance, will be able to fully anchor a new star-based culture system once again on your planet. We are already in the process of seeding the planet with the ancient matrices that will grow into flourishing, beautiful cities as the Earth ascends into its new position in the cosmos. Also, the original builders of many of the ancient temples of Athena, Isis, and the Great Pyramid, along with the architectural wonders such as the Taj Mahal and the Parthenon, are now awakening and gathering together to exchange ideas and form teams to create many magnificent edifices to grace your planet. As the collective consciousness continues to shift, there will be more resonant Earth-based cities and centers of light manifesting that are not based on current modern technology. Some of the new cities will have a very ancient look and feel, while others will be very futuristic and galactic in nature. In the near future, all of the cultures of Earth will be star-based, and all of you will be stargazers and star travelers. It is at this time we will begin visiting and communicating openly with all the Earth peoples. We wish to thank you for allowing us to join you and share our perspective. In light, we are the Sirians.